Hello guys and welcome back to Ask MB YouTube channel. In this video we are going to discuss important topics that is to be learned before going for your CMAT 2025. Yes, hardly we have 1 month left for your preparation. So in this given period, what can be the best possible strategy to score good in your CMAT? That is what the content for today's video is. So stay till the end of this video and I'm sure you are going to like this video because एक महीने में आपको कितना कुछ प्रिपरेशन करना होगा ये अगर आपको चाहिए so this is going to be very important video for you. For that purpose I want you guys to share and subscribe this channel so that you get proper and regular videos and updates regarding all your MBA entrance exams. For now we are discussing about CMAT examination. So let's talk about quant section कि quant section में क्या क्या हमें प्रिपरेशन करना होगा. Now the first tip that is I am going to give you here. To score good in quant, you don't have to study entire chapters. So what else I'm talking? The first one is percentage. Second one is ratio proportion, or I say ratios, and the third one is average. Now you have seen these kind of topics in any kind of quant book, but the most important thing to study these kind of questions or this kind of topic is to cover your entire arithmetic session. Right? So if you take any kind of entrance exam of MBA, the weightage of these three topics is much more higher than any other quant topics because your entire arithmetic depends on these three topics only. Alright, so what I'm guys suggesting you, if you want to score good in arithmetic, these three topics come under arithmetic. If you want to score good in arithmetic, these three topics must be learned thoroughly and conceptually. Now, when I say you need to learn these concepts or conceptually, what does that mean? Does that mean that you have to solve maximum number of questions from these three topics? No, that is not what it means. What I'm trying to say is percentage, ratio, proportion, averages इनके mixed topics आपको पढ़ने हैं. Once you understood the basic concept of these three topics, I'm sure you will be going good in your arithmetic session. Alright, so once again I'm telling you these three topics must be learned thoroughly and conceptually. Unless you do these concepts, studying arithmetic will be waste of time because you won't be solving questions from SICI without solving your percentage, ratio, proportion, averages, right? So SICI, then we have profit and loss. These two topics are entirely mixed concept of these three topics only, right? So before understanding this question, it will be not wise to go solving SICI and profit and loss. Now these two topics also comes under arithmetic. Again we have three more topics lined as the first topic is your TSD, time speed distance, under which you will be getting questions based on your trains, your tracks or bikes or average speeds, and again one of the important question is from your boat and streams, right? So these two topics must be covered before going for your arithmetic session. Second, after TSD we have questions based on mixtures and allegations, right? I'm writing these terms in short form so that you understand and try to save your time. Alright, so already the proper syllabus I have given on YouTube channel, on this Ask MB YouTube channel. So you have to go back to YouTube's, watch the video and watch what syllabus I was talking about. These are the important topics that must be learned before going for your CMAT examination. Alright, if this video is making sense, please subscribe this channel so that you get regular updates. After mixture allegation, we have one more important topic that is not to be forget. First one is that is time and work. You'll be getting at least two questions from time and work, right? Question based on men and women and your efficiencies, right? So these topics must be learned from your arithmetic section to score good in your quant section. Now apart from this, if you guys still left with your time, you may start solving question from your algebra. Like algebra में आपको क्या preparation करना है? Now this is your second topic after arithmetic. Algebra में आपको study करना है quadratic equations and polynomials क्योंकि इसके questions आपको भर भर के पूछे जाते हैं. लगभग 3 से 4 questions तो algebra से मिल जाएंगे आपको. ये हर एक MBA entrance की exam की कहानी है. अलजेब्रा के बिना कोई भी आपका एंट्रेंस एग्जाम कंप्लीट नहीं होने वाला. सो अलजेब्रा में आपको क्या क्या करना है, क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन का आपको कंसेप्ट देखना है. अब क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन को सॉल्व कैसे करना है उसका भी मैंने वीडियो डाल रखा है. ऑल आई एम डूइंग इज गिविंग यू अ प्रॉपर सिलेबस एंड इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक्स. सो कंटेंट के वीडियोस मैंने यूट्यूब पे डाल रखे हैं, आपको जाके बस सर्च करना है हाउ टू सॉल्व क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशंस और हाउ टू हैंडल अलजेब्रा फॉर सीमैट और कैट और सीईटी एग्जामिनेशन. कंसेप्ट वही होते हैं, एग्जाम्स अलग हो जाते हैं. क्वाड्रेटिक के बाद अगर आपको सॉल्व करना है तो इसमें एपीजीपी के क्वेश्चंस आप कर सकते हो, क्योंकि एपीजीपी बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट फैक्टर बन जाता है. एपीजीपी अर्थमेटिक प्रोग्रेशंस एंड ज्योमेट्रिक प्रोग्रेशंस. यू विल बी गेटिंग एटलीस्ट वन क्वेश्चन बेस्ड ऑन दिस टॉपिक एज वेल. नाउ enough for this algebra. After algebra you may prepare for your geometry and mensuration. भाई mensuration geometry के बिना तो कोई भी एग्जाम कंप्लीट नहीं होने वाला. So we'll be getting at least 2 questions from this topic as well. We have 20 questions in quant, so इसमें 1-2 questions तो geometry mensurations के बनने वाले. अगर आपको कुछ ज़्यादा इसमें नहीं करना है, so at least try to remember all the formulas like area, how to calculate areas and perimeters, then volumes, surface area. So these are kind of questions that will be asked in examination. So the exams like CMAT, they judge your decision skills, like how good you are at decision. You'll be questions getting not more than 3 to 4 lines, so questions will be easier to solve, but you will be short of time. So that is what I'm asking you. Prepare this concept conceptually, understand the theory behind it, and then solve number of questions, sufficient number of questions solving on each topic. That is what requires here. ठीक है, हार्डली आपको 10 से 12 क्वेश्चन हर एक टॉपिक के प्रिपेयर करना है सॉल्व करके, तब जाके आपका उस कंसेप्ट पे हाथ बैठने वाला है. ठीक है, लेट्स टॉक अबाउट डीएलआर सेक्शन. डीएलआर सेक्शन अगेन वन ऑफ द मोस्ट स्कोरिंग एंड इंपॉर्टेंट सेक्शन इन योर सीमैट एग्जाम. सो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट बन जाता है कि आपको कौन से टॉपिक करना है इसमें. सबसे पहले मैं आपको लाइन ग्राफ, बार ग्राफ, ये सारे आपने चीज पढ़ रखी है, बट सीमैट में आपको मिक्स्ड ग्राफ के क्वेश्चंस बहुत सारे देखे गए. मिक्स्ड ग्राफ मतलब कैसा? फॉर एग्जांपल एक में आपको दिया है पाई चार्ट पे क्वेश्चंस, कुछ डेटा दिया रहेगा. फॉर एग्जांपल दी स्टूडेंट डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन इन सर्टन XYZ कॉलेज. उसके बाद उस कॉलेज का डेटा दिया रहेगा हमें मेल एंड फीमेल के बारे में, कि उसमें मेल एंड फीमेल कितना है, उसका रेशो रहेगा. उसके बाद मेल एंड फीमेल में से प्लेसमेंट्स कितना हुआ वो भी आपको दिया रहेगा, वो होगा शायद आपका लाइन ग्राफ में. Now this is what called your mixed graphs. Now you have already studied these graphs separately, but in the exams you need to understand that these questions will be asked combinedly. ठीक है, सो आपको तीनों हैंडल करते आना चाहिए कि आपको पाई चार्ट से रेशो में कैसे जाना है, रेशो से आपको लाइन चार्ट्स की वैल्यू कैसे कैलकुलेट करना है. Now these are the kind of graphs that might ask in the exams like CMAT and of course in CET as well, right? So now we are talking about CMAT only, so just stick to that because we have hardly 1 month for preparation. That's it from me guys, because मुझे बस आपको एक सिलेबस देना था. इसके अलावा जीके एंड इनोवेशन एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप का भी आपको मुझे देना है, बट इस वीडियो में हमने बात की है बस कॉन्ट एंड डीआईआर सेक्शन की. इसके बाद मैं आपको एक वीडियो डालूंगा जिसमें मैं बात करूंगा वर्बल and of course for your innovation part, right? So those 2 topics will be covered up in the upcoming video for CMAT preparation. So if you really hope that this video was important for you or informative for you guys, so please subscribe this channel so that you get the latest videos and content for your CMAT preparation. Thank you.